What's up, everybody? Hey, it is officially the middle of summer now. It's July now. It's hot, it's dry, and if you're anything like me, you might have some dry spots in your lawn. Maybe something like this, or this, or that, or this, maybe like that. All right, so like I said, lots of dry spot. I need something to help this lawn. I mean, listen to this. It's bad. Not dry. Dry. What I'm gonna be using on these dry spots that I've got everywhere, not everywhere, but they're bad. What I'm gonna be using on them is a little product called Hydretain. I have heard lots of people rant and rave, talk about how great it is and how it works, and you know, several videos about how all the science and crap behind it. I'm not talking about any of that crap. I'm gonna put it on these dry spots and on the rest of my lawn and see if it will help my lawn come back. That's it. So let's take a look at the directions. The directions on this bottle say connect sprayer to garden hose. To open, break off tab on the top of the sprayer head, turn knob to on, and then for lawns, apply using broad strokes, best if applied to damp soil. After applying, immediately water into the root zones with 1/4 to 1/2 inch of water. 1 quart treats 2,500 to 5,000 square feet. I've got 2,500 square feet in my front lawn, and you guys see I've got some dry spots, so I'm gonna put the whole bottle over 2,500 square feet. Hey, but first, let's turn the sprinklers on, dampen the soil a little bit. All right, guys, so we soaked down the lawn. Lawn's all wet. Soil is damp. So let's take this here Hydretain, and hook her up and spray her down. All right, guys, so we put it down over the lawn. Now it's time to water it in. It says to use a 1/4 inch to 1/2 inch of water. So turn the sprinklers on one more time, water it in real good, and then we'll start checking back. So next time you see me will be in a couple days when we're checking back. What's up, guys? Hey, now for the update you've all been waiting for. It has been a whopping 5 days since I put down Hydretain. It has been mid 90s, high 90s. Today was 100 degrees here every single day since then. But the question is, how does the lawn look? Does this magical Hydretain that everybody loves actually work? So, the lawn overall is looking really good. There's really no stress out here other than these spots that were really dry. So let's look at those spots. So here is the first one. As you can see, a lot better. Now, I haven't changed my watering schedule. I've left my watering schedule the same just to see if the addition of Hydretain was actually going to do anything. So I would say, from looking at that one, the answer is yes. There was a dry spot out here, and I'm not sure where it is anymore. This one was a lot bigger. Now it is getting smaller. And then these big ones over here, while they're not doing as good, that's the one over here, I would say that they have definitely improved. Over here, I know I've got a issue with a sprinkler head for water coverage, but they do look like they're improving. If you were to ask me if Hydretain is worthwhile at this point with what I'm seeing, I would say yes. You know, for only like 30 bucks, you can get a bottle of this, and you know, for the temperatures that it's been here, for my lawn to still be looking this good, and this is ryegrass mowed at, you know, like 0.65 inches. So for it to be looking as good as it is with me watering every 3 days, I'm pretty happy with that. Anyways, guys, that's all I've got for today. Make sure to leave me a thumbs up if you liked what I said. If you have any comments, leave me a comment. Hit the subscribe button, all that YouTube jazzy crap. I will see you next time. That's super annoying.